The Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is a mid-range smartphone that pushes the boundaries of its category, offering a combination of high-end features and a competitive price point. Released in August 2025, it aims to be a strong contender in the market, particularly for users who prioritize battery life, display quality, and durability. Here are the pros, cons, special features and an overall conclusion of this phone. For pros: exceptional battery life. The 7000 mAh battery is one of the largest in its class, providing extended usage, even for power users and gamers. Rapid charging. 90W fast charging significantly reduces downtime, getting the phone from empty to full in a short amount of time. Flagship-level display. The 1.5K AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and a stunning 3200 nits peak brightness offers a top-tier viewing experience. High durability. The combination of Xiaomi Dragon crystal glass and the rare IP69K rating makes the phone highly resistant to damage from drops and water. Versatile camera system. The inclusion of a 50MP telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom is a significant advantage in this price range. Strong performance. The Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 chipset and up to 16GB of RAM provide a smooth user experience for everyday tasks, multitasking, and gaming. For cons: UFS 2.2 storage. While the phone offers a lot of storage, the UFS 2.2 standard is a step down from the faster UFS 3.1 found in some competing devices, which could impact data transfer speeds. No headphone jack. Like many modern smartphones, it lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack. Regional differences. The global version is rumored to have a smaller battery, 6500 mAh, and may omit the telephoto camera, which would be a significant downgrade from the Chinese model. For special features: Wet Hand Touch 2.0. This technology allows the display to be operated accurately even with wet hands, a useful feature for everyday use or outdoor activities. Advanced water and dust resistance. The combination of IP66, IP68, and IP69K ratings is a standout feature for a mid-range phone. It provides protection against not just immersion but also high-pressure and high-temperature water jets. Gaming-centric cooling system. The phone features an ice-sealed cold pump cooling system with a large heat dissipation area, which helps maintain stable performance and prevent thermal throttling during intense gaming sessions. AI-boosted imaging. The camera system uses AI-powered algorithms for features like AI Erase Pro, AI Image Expansion, and AI Film, which enhance photo and video editing capabilities. Overall conclusion: the Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is a compelling device that blurs the lines between the mid-range and flagship segments. It delivers an excellent user experience with its vibrant, ultra-bright display, long-lasting battery, and rapid charging. The inclusion of a telephoto lens and an IP69K rating are significant value adds that are rarely seen in this price category. While the UFS 2.2 storage is a minor drawback, they are outweighed by the phone's strengths. The potential for a different configuration in the global version is a key factor to consider, but the Chinese model, as described, offers a robust and feature-rich package. For users seeking a durable phone with a phenomenal battery and a great screen for gaming and media consumption, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is a top-tier choice that offers a great deal of value for its price.